Brewing a perfect cup of green tea. Brewing a perfect cup of green tea is a soothing experience that brings tranquility and flavor to your day. You will need 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves, 1 cup of water, and a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey, if desired. Start by boiling the water. Once the water is boiled, let it cool for about a minute to reach a temperature of around 80 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. This is crucial as boiling water can make the tea taste bitter. Place the green tea leaves in a teapot or a tea infuser. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 1 to 3 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Avoid steeping for too long as it can also lead to a bitter taste. Once the tea has steeped to your liking, strain the tea leaves and pour the tea into a cup. If you like, you can add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey to enhance the flavor. Savor the aromatic and refreshing cup of green tea, and enjoy the myriad of health benefits it offers.